Hey, 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 check it out, check it out. Big Tip Shark here, back for another dive. So, lots happened. There's Raleigh. There's this Taiwanese couple or something coming up here, I think. And then Wayne, this is his first trip to Verde Island. He just got his advanced water. And I'm watching this for the first time with you guys, so I'll try to remember what's going on and let you know. I think this guy's a pretty good diver. He's really good on air. I don't know if that's his sister or a girlfriend or what, but they're buddies. And there's Mike. He looks like a big fishing lure, but I was telling him he's probably gonna get chopped up by a whale or a shark or something, looking so delightfully delicious like that. And let's see, there's Wayne. Check it out, check it out. He said he's gonna change his life. I told him he's gonna change his life. This is his, again, first trip to Verde. And Big Will, Kuya Will, or Tito Willie, he should be around here somewhere. And his buddy Marcus or something. Nice big coral fan. But anyway, lots changed since my last trip to Verde Island. I think it's been almost 2 years now. Little puffer fish. I've had a kid since then. All kinds of fun stuff. Fun stuff. So really happy to be back in the saddle diving again. Here comes my family back from church. So I might have to stop my commentary for a little bit. But anyway, enjoy the video. A lot of diving, a lot of stuff going on. And like I said, happy diving. Hello! Later. Hey. I'm back. We're ordering some NSL family barbecue time. But I really want to get this thing edited and loaded. It's fresh on my memory. And Big Will, Justin. Ooh. I'm real good with that poker thing too. Stabby pokey thing. And again, it was real windy under there, as Mike would say. Right, Mike? It was real windy. And it was blowing us around pretty good. And it was a good thing that we had gloves to grab onto the rocks and try to keep the coral and everything safe. But as you can see, I don't have these new lights figured out. I had to get these new lights because my buddy, he kept saying it was my buddy who I tried helping out, crackhead, stole my goddamn light and sold it for meth. So thanks, Robert, you're the man. Hope it was worth it. Anyway, I got some new lights because I decided I'm gonna leave in the Philippines in storage. So I figured it's safer here than back home with a bunch of crackheads. I'm like, what are they gonna do with my goddamn dive light? Oh, they're gonna go looking for rocks. Search the river for rocks. Oh my God, you know how good you can see at night with that thing? I can find agates and all kinds of stuff. Crackheads. Anyway, I know every country's got them, but I think they're the worst back home. Check out them fish, by the way. Yep. This is JR watching his wigglers. Panned out some little angel fish. Anyway, another 30 minutes to go. Yeah, see, sometimes that light comes in just right, looks good, but I just didn't have the right angle. I kind of fell in hard. I think I've been trying to adjust it and figure out the whole angles. Something to learn before my next trip. But I'm hanging on to this camera during this dive. was a workout. And trying to hold on to, stuff that isn't going to get damaged while fighting that current and trying to keep it at, watching something. But yeah, the angle of the light is off for sure. Wow. Crowded down there. Look at all the fishies. I think I gotta turn this off because of the music in the background. I'll get in trouble. Anyway, that's pretty cool looking fishy. Really fishy. Over in food company and stuff up in the sun. He's got the legs. There's mine. My wide-angle lens had a scratch in it too, so I was trying to do it just with the camera case and housing that I had on a wide angle. So I don't know. I think it could be a little brighter, but at least you get the feel of what it was like down there. Because I will admit it was the windiest that I've ever had it. You can even see how the fish are all scattered around. I don't know where those guys are going.
Bahala sila kung ano isipin.
Hello. I think I just wanted to show what was going on more than the wildlife. I'm showing these crazy humans. I think they can breathe underwater. Mike in his 360.
Lot 6, lot 8 tita, no?
That's a rare fish right there. Usually you see those at the supermarket. Maybe we're just not getting up on this fish far enough. The night dive, my brother said it was too bright, my lights. I don't want the glare off of the third. I need to watch more YouTube videos about it. But I also want to get some buoyancy compensators for these new lights. Man, they're heavy. Oh, I think this is when I had these Koreans from another boat come bump into me and went there. They had like a little jet-powered BCD on or something. She came around the corner, bumped into me, and it hit right away from me. Like I was in a James Bond movie or something. Oh, you'd always catch Wayne holding on the mic, but he let might get too far from him. That's the drop off. Check it out.
Verde. Kasi pangalan mo sa ano, i-register ko, nilagay kong pangalan dito, yung ano ko email. May pangalan na yung ang email ko is perfect.
Focus in on something there. Oh, there's a pterodactyl JR or a spricketic. Huh? If you're still watching this far into it, thank you. You're one of probably 4 people. Maybe one of the people. One of the people that aren't on this diet. Wow, I was shining on everything under me or something. I ended up leaving the camera behind on the next 2 dives just because I was fighting the current so much, and I just really got to enjoy the dives. I'm so glad I did that. They were some pretty fun, exhilarating dives. All of them were, but the next 2 when I didn't bring the camera were really good. But maybe you'll see it on Mike's 360, the other 2 dives. Marcus didn't wear his shorties because we're drying out. Him and Tito Willie are leaving tomorrow, and me and Key guys are staying for 4 or 5 days, I think, after this. We got a couple beach goers. After, I think, we got one more dive after this, and then we head to the beach for barbecue. And it was a really good barbecue. Wayne never made it back out for the third dive. I think he might have drank a little water on the second dive or something, but hopefully we get him back out there diving again. Maybe after he sees this, he'll remember how much fun he was having. You know Mike's gonna be back. He's a lifer now. Oh, look at him fishing. They're coming in a little better now, huh? I should crop and cut some of this out, but maybe in the future. For now, we're just gonna get the raw footage. And thank you for watching. Fast forward as you please. I'm just picking random music that I like. Hope you enjoy it. And watching this stuff on shrooms is pretty fun too. Promise you. Hey Anna, so did you get some food orders? Huh? Okay, I think we got food. And we only have another 15 minutes of this video. I know it got to a point where it was really, really windy. And I don't know if I'll be able to keep my camera up. And then there was a turtle. I think everyone was like watching a turtle or something that came up. I thought I was big old tough Jim. I don't see Miguel. What? What's that? Yell? Yell at who? Yeah, that was where the wind really picked up down there. And here we are, coming back, going the other way because there was no way we were going to get there that way, which was our initial thought. Get up over that and continue along that side. Here's where I couldn't be fighting. Against the current, so we're going back the other way. Over there, checking it out.
Ang guwapo talaga niyang apo mo.
I'm better than that.
Sagot ko na yan, magagawa
I'm
ko.
gonna just show you. I'm gonna pause the version. Keep watching. Enjoy. I might go back. I'm watching with you. Poor little Coral fan. We beat up there. Yeah, it's a shame. You know, great dive sets like these get beat up. There's a fish out there. Does it got a baseball cap on? Looks like it doesn't. Yeah. And a baseball hat on. Cool. Didn't see much octopus either in this trip. Last time I seen 4 octopus right in the same spot. This one was flamboyant pufferfish, fan favorite. Pterodactyl running around in his diaper. Wow! Pterodactyl. We're all waiting for food. I'm trying to get this thing edited and loaded. So at least I got one. the center of biodiversity. Does that make any sense? The center of the center, like, talk about like knowing it's AI. Whenever I hear Verde Island, and I'm a victim of it too, because I use that center of the center of biodiversity. It just doesn't. It's not catchy. It's weird, but I've used it, and I see it being used a lot. I just wonder who pushed that phrase, the center of the center. It's almost like a typo. But there's a lot of those little things, you know. I guess it's better than saying something like Mega Fish Island, or they got a new nightclub, Mega Dance. Made me think of that, like Megatron, Mega Dance, Mega Fish. We got food coming, and it looks like I got another 7 minutes of this video. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. The food is about here. I think the food is at the gate. I'm gonna have to. I don't know. I'm gonna have to shut it off for now. I might come back. And give you a last little 7-minute, 6-minute of commentary. Ooh, that was good. That's me trying. That's me eating dirt. Like I said, I left the camera after this dive. I was like, I do not want to hold on to this fucking thing. Excuse my language. Leave that over. No one listens anyway. We must be coming up to a safety stop level. We have been. You get a little idea how windy it is down there. What else do they make besides Colorado? I want to see the menu. That's one flavor or a bunch of different flavors? Is this supposed to be good? Who said? We're getting bounced around pretty good in here.
Ito binigyan niya eh. Nilak mo? Okay. You want some? Oh. Hey. Hey, you wanna taste this? Want to taste? Para kasi Joanne ah. Kung nakita lang yung itsura, ayaw na niya. Kaya kasi Joanne, hindi mo makikita.
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you made it all the way through, I love you. I'm grateful. Take care.